Feeling hungry for some crispy mozzarella sticks? Let's go make them. First, let's take a packet of Walker's Hot Flavor Max potato chips. You can choose any flavor you prefer, but personally, I love the extra flamin' hot flavor. Next, crush the chips using a wooden hammer to break them into crumbs. Resembling the texture of Max potato chips, transfer the crumbs into a plate and set them aside for later. Now, take 3 mozzarella cheese sticks and cut them in half, creating 2 pieces per stick. Crack 1 egg into a bowl and beat it until well mixed. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of flour, coat the mozzarella cheese sticks in the flour, making sure they're fully covered. Next, dip the flour-coated mozzarella sticks into the beaten egg, ensuring they're thoroughly coated. After that, roll them in the crushed potato chips to coat them completely. Repeat this process for all your cheese sticks to ensure each one is fully coated with the flour, egg, and chip crumbs. Heat a pan and add a generous amount of oil, enough to fully submerge your cheese sticks. Carefully place the coated cheese sticks into the hot oil and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy, like minimum 2 to 4 minutes. Once they're golden brown, remove the cheese sticks from the pan and place them on a plate. And now, your crispy mozzarella cheese sticks are ready to enjoy. Wow, they're absolutely delicious. Enjoying the vibes? Like, subscribe and stick around for more deliciousness.